Hi guys, today Honor held its first press conference in 2022 where it released its flagship foldable smartphone, Honor Magic V. This is the company's first foldable smartphone and it is also the world's first foldable smartphone with a flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SoC. We can safely say that this device is the most powerful foldable smartphone at the moment. The Honor Magic V uses the left and right inward folding method, choosing a larger size effect. It comes with a 7.9-inch large internal screen with an aspect ratio of 10.3 by 9. The display also supports a resolution of 2272 by 1984 and a pixel density of 381 ppi. Furthermore, the Honor Magic V internal display supports a 90 Hz refresh rate. The global maximum brightness is 800 nit, the peak brightness is 1000 nit, and the display supports a 100% DCI-P3 color gamut. It also supports 10-bit color, HDR10+, 1920 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming, and other technologies. This device is the industry's first foldable smartphone with IMAX enhanced certification and has excellent display effects. As for the external screen, the Honor Magic V comes with a 6.45-inch OLED screen. This display supports a ratio of 21.3 by 9, a resolution of 2560 by 1080, a pixel density of 431 ppi, and a screen-to-body ratio of up to 90%. Furthermore, it supports 100% DCI-P3 wide color gamut, 1 billion colors, and HDR10+ technology. The global maximum brightness is 1000 nit, the peak maximum brightness is 1200 nit, and it also supports a 120 Hz refresh rate. In addition, the Honor Magic V external screen also uses a curved nanocrystalline glass process. The smartphone has stronger anti-drop performance than the ordinary Corning Gorilla Glass panel. It is worth mentioning that the Honor Magic V also brings a new way of interaction with the folding screen. It brings the progressive display of parallel vision of a single application, multi-application, multitasking multi-window, floating window, smart split screen, etc. Furthermore, Honor Magic V further deepens the linkage between the internal and external dual screens. It can seamlessly and smoothly switch between internal and external screen content by folding and unfolding the screen. The process is smoother and avoids a sense of separation. In terms of core configuration, Honor Magic V comes with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 flagship processor. Relative to the previous generation, the performance has significantly improved. With OS Turbo X and GPU Turbo X technology, the overall performance output is more stable and lasting. This is one of the reasons why this foldable smartphone is considered the most powerful foldable smartphone at the moment. In terms of battery life, the Honor Magic V has a built-in 4750 mAh high-capacity battery. It uses an asymmetric dual battery structure and supports 66-watt wired fast charging. This foldable smartphone achieves greater battery life and faster charging. In the camera department, the Honor Magic V comes with a vertical triple rear camera solution. It uses a 50 megapixels main camera as well as a 50 megapixels ultra-wide-angle and a 50 megapixels enhancement camera. On the front, the Honor Magic V comes with a 42 megapixel shooter in the punch hole. This camera obtains very clear self-portraits and video calls regardless of its folding state. The Honor Magic V is available in 3 color options including titanium silver, bright black, and orange models. The black model has an AG glass, and the orange model comes with a leather finish. As for the silver model, it has vertical thin stripes under the glass. The pre-sale of this device starts today while its first outright sales will hold on January 18th. In terms of price, the Magic V offers 2 versions. The 12 gigs plus 256 gigs version is priced at $1,568 while the 12 gigs plus 512 gigs version is priced at $1,725. Thank you for watching. See you soon.